This short video is about GaiaGPS and waypoints. When you start GaiaGPS, you get the basic map for Gaia, and the first thing you want to do is use this cursor here, the location cursor, to bring it to your current position. And you'll see this is your current position. If you touch that icon again, that current position icon, you'll see that the map is reoriented towards your direction, the direction you're facing. And if you were to turn your device, you'll see that the map changes. Now, for our purposes, I'm going to touch this again, touch that little icon again, so the north is locked up. But you get the idea what the location cursor brings you, your current location, or reorients the map to map north up or to direction of travel up. Now I'm going to use the waypoint add button to add waypoints. So I'm going to touch the add waypoint button, and I'm going to add waypoints. Now, if I use this option, I'm going to create a waypoint where I'm standing at my GPS location. Here it creates a movable waypoint that I could slide around on the picture. Now I'm going to create a waypoint. So I'll create waypoint, and now I have to enter my data. Now I've got my data entered, and I've got to hit save. So I hit save, and now it located my waypoint at my standing location. Now to do something, I have to touch that blue again if I want to do something with that waypoint. So I touch the blue, and it brings up a little black, and I'll touch the black to bring me to the waypoint information screen. I can navigate to it, change the name by going into the little icon here, or add some notes or export it. In my case, I'm going to reposition this. I'm going to reposition, so I'm going to select the Edit Reposition. Now it gives me a little white circle. So I'm going to use my finger to grab that little white circle and drag it over to the edge of the river. So I've now repositioned that. Now I've got to hit the Save button after I've got it positioned, and I've got my waypoint repositioned. Now, if I use the waypoint add button at the top here, and I use the create waypoint, I do create waypoint, you can see it throws me immediately into the move waypoint, and I can move my waypoint, say, down over to this location on the river. Now, you'll notice I'll hit save. You'll notice that I didn't get the waypoint information. So this waypoint that I created, when I created it my location, it asked for my attribute information immediately. This one threw me into the moving mode, so I moved it to my location, but I don't have any attributes now. So I'm going to have to touch that waypoint, touch that little blue, and touch the black, and bring it into my information screen, and then add my notes. And I'm going to edit this waypoint. So I'm going to edit it, add my notes. Now I've got my notes, and I'm going to do save. And now I can delete it or add a picture or do some other functions. I'm going to use the back button down here to finish this. So now my waypoint has been created. So this completes our waypoint discussion. Now the other piece of waypoint that you might want to understand is this little icon up at the top here. I have an icon at the top, and it shows you a list, and here's the waypoint information that I can go in from the menu, and you'll see that there's a waypoint list. Now I can touch any one of these and edit them, or I can select them, and how I select them is by holding my finger down on one of them, and it moves me into a select mode that I can then select others if I wish and go about deleting or doing other options. In this case, I'm going to delete these. So I'm going to delete all my waypoints. Now to move back to my screen, my map screen, I use the little back button at the bottom, and I'm back on my map screen. This completes this video.